Award Distribution Ceremony. In Ibrahim Alibi Government Girls Secondary School Campus Orangi Town No. 9, the students and teachers who obtained A and A1 grades in the annual examinations of the Board of Secondary Education Karachi were awarded for their high performance. This prestigious ceremony was held yesterday at Ibrahim Alibi Government Girls Secondary School Campus Orangi Town No. 9, in which more than 150 female students were awarded shields for obtaining A and A1 grades. Traditions have been maintained. Ms. Seema Gaffer, campus head, was the chief guest of the event, while Madam Naushad Teo, female Orangi Town. Madam Mona Shaheen was the former campus head. Report by Mr. Khurshid Jaffrey.